how to create link for photos in Google Drive. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a shareable link for photos in Google Drive. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open a web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Chrome for this example. Head over to google.com and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon. It looks like a grid of dots and select Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, go to the top left and click New, then select New Folder. Give your folder a name. This can be anything you like and click Create. Double-click your new folder to open it. Now go back to the top left, click New again and choose File Upload. Select the photos you want to upload. You can hold Ctrl or Shift to select multiple files at once, then click Open. Wait a moment while your photos upload. You'll see a progress bar in the bottom right corner. When everything is finished, click on the folder name at the top to make sure you're still inside it. Next, look toward the top of the screen, click the drop-down arrow next to the folder name, hover over Share, and click Share. If you like to keep your folder private, you can add specific people's email addresses here. But if you want a shareable link anyone can use, look for General Access, select anyone with the link. Finally, click Copy Link, and you can send that link to anyone you'd like to share your photos with. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Google Drive tutorials. Thanks for watching.